Welcome at Lowlands Assessment Systems. I am Sjoerd and this is Conventional Part 1. Our tutorials are packed with information. Please feel free to use the pause button if you want to think things over and let it sink in for a while. This tutorial has 4 parts: introduction, the component structure, component cost conscious, a summary and conclusion. Enough said, we go right ahead because time is money. Conventional is one of John Holland's 6 areas of interests. Each domain is made up of a number of components, and in the case of conventional, there are 2. Structure and cost conscious. The characteristics of the component structure are striving for structure, working systematically, liking order and tidiness, wanting to know where you stand and what is expected of you, prefer to prepare rather than improvise. Flexibility is the Achilles heel, and the strengths are thoroughness, reliability and tenacity. Characteristics of the component cost conscious are business acumen and accuracy, good with money, frugal, effective, staying within budget, preference for work of a financial, economic or administrative nature, like accounting, budgeting, costing and purchasing, and sensible and principled in money matters. Summary and conclusions. The conventional interest domain revolves around rules, procedures, laws, data and systematic work. In this tutorial we have been introduced to the 2 underlying components. One component focuses on the tendency to structure work and the work environment, and the other focuses on money matters. This was the last tutorial in the series of introductions to John Holland's 6 domains of interests. In part 2 of this tutorial we will discuss some cases of people who have high scores on conventional. Thanks for watching and see you next time.